Welcome to Flowgy. In this video we will show you the basic elements of Flowgy. After opening the program and signing in, we have access to the start page. As we can see, there are three options available that define how to work in Flowgy. First, we can select Free Mode. Experienced users work in this mode to quickly edit specific tasks. To give you two examples, they could do a CT scan analysis or making a virtual surgery in 3D. The second stage we see is called New Study. In this stage we will spend the most of our time in Flowgy. Here we are guided step by step through the whole process. This includes CT scans, segmentations, virtual surgeries, CFD solver, and the ability to create reports. To say it in a different way, imagine you have a patient with a nasal airway obstruction symptom. First, we have to analyze the anatomical structure of his or her CT scan. After that, we have various options on how to continue, like create infinite amounts of segmentations or virtual surgeries. It's like a tree with a main branch that is opening up in the crown in various ways. Last but not least, we have the third stage, which is called Open Study. Here, as you can imagine, we can open and edit an existing study, which has already been created, and start working where we left the last time. Well, that's how you get started with Flowgy.